What's up, gamers? I don't know why I did that. I'm not putting that in. I had this idea. Dwayne Johnson. The Rock. He doesn't have hair. So I was like, I'm gonna give that guy hair. Why stop there? We can make him fat and have hair. There's no way this could go wrong. So first thing I noticed, there's no room to add hair. So I'm gonna Photoshop that in. So I just grabbed a picture of this guy with hair, and I'm gonna take out his face and put that hair on the Rock. So right now we're just gonna take that hair and we're just gonna plop it on him. Dang, he looks good with hair. The laptop is dying. Okay, we're back in business. So I had to search the internet for a belly picture. That was special. Now that we got that, we just crop it out, put it onto Dwayne Johnson, make him look fat. Let's keep working. So I just got the best idea. We're gonna take that image, chop off the arms and the nipples, put that belly part onto Dwayne Johnson, and hopefully he will look really weird. This is gonna be epic. So that didn't work. So we're just gonna get rid of Dwayne's arms and plop that whole belly on him. Yeah. So we got the belly on him. We erased his arms. It looks pretty interesting. Just the skin tones. Really hope I can get it right. This is the part. This is gonna look the worst. If you already think it looks bad, this is gonna look, I don't know. I am finally done the finishing touches. So here's the good copy.